We're at the Disneyland. I know we were just here on Monday, but it was such a fail because we didn't really get to enjoy anything because it's super packed. So we're gonna try again today. We're eating right now. Finally here at the DCA.
What's DCA?
Disney California Adventure. Number one, I know my sunglasses suck. I look like a dork, so we're gonna pick up one if we see a good one. It has to be cheap. Number two, forgot our sunblock. We're gonna end up getting sunburned by the end of the day. Right now it's about 2 o'clock, late again, but it's not as packed as Monday. So we'll see what we can do today. We found this Boy Scout park, so there's a lot of activities that can be done here. There's like rock climbing, there's like slides and bridges that's made out of ropes.
Like
Treehouse.
so much like hiking. Yeah.
It's kind of fun getting away from the rides every once in a while and just hang out right here. So we actually left early from Disneyland. Almost the same thing like last Monday. Still packed. It's a grad night, so there's a lot of high school kids in there. Didn't really enjoy it, so we left early. We left about 5 o'clock. We went to this place called Hong Kong Plaza. There's a lot of Indonesian food in here. Yeah, it's a food court.
It's a food court.
And everybody's pretty loud in here. Right next to us, there's like some Indonesian guys there making this event for Indonesian President Jokowi. If you remember, Casey and Neistat actually met Jokowi in Indonesia.
Did you hear that? The president said he likes my vlog.
It was pretty awesome.
Yeah, no.
I'll see you on the next one.